got Happy Mail. It's got no hair on it. And today, guys, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited because I tried filming this, so that meant I already opened it. And I'm blown away. Blown away. And I think you will be too. Anyway, here is the package it came in with. And it's Planning with Passion is the name of the shop. Okay, this came first. Inside of that was this cardboard. Inside of that was this, the clear plastic. Now, that was packed really, really well. I mean, really well. It's like I got the sheets straight off the Cricut or Silhouette or whatever it was that cut them. So, and a beautiful thank you. Also, I got some other information, but I decided not to share that. I will at the end of the program. Now, I had the Never Stop Learning kit. And I also, as an extra, I bought these little nail polish. They're so cute. It's the dark and the glitters. And what I plan to do with them, I think Takina, it's Planning with Passion. Just a second. Hold on. Okay, guys. Where was I? Oh, I was just starting off on this Happy Mail. Here I have, that's an extra like add-on. And it's the dark and glitters little nail polishes. Now, Takina, the shop owner, she has a YouTube. I've been following her for a long time. And anyway, she was, you could also use this for like putting the colors down. Because, sometimes you might get fruity cherry, passion, plumberry or something. And you don't remember. Now you might can write all that down on here. But what I'm going to do with it, because I go to different shops, and I'm going to start rating my shops. Giving them a rating, 1 to 10. And whatever shop it is, and I'll put 10, 5, 4. And we'll see where, because I remember, then I'll forget. And I got several shops close to my house. So, whichever one's not that full, that's when I'll pop in on. So I think I'm going to start doing that and rating them. And these will be perfect. Okay. But this is the main attraction, y'all. This is a kit. And this is my very first planning kit. I don't normally plan, like with kits, all I've ever really bought a lot of was just the packs of stickers, and I buy specialty stickers here and there. But this is my very first kit, and I'm like blown away by it. I'm blown away. This is the Never Stop Learning for the month of August. This is the monthly, this, and this, and this. These 3 sheets. And I'm going to, first of all, let me just count the sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 sheets. And it looks like half letter. I'm going to go even further than that. This is what I'm going to do. The size of the sheet is 8 3/4 by 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. So it's kind of almost like half of a letter size sticker paper. So anyway, you have 15 sheets of these. Now this is your month. You have this cloud 9. I'm gonna see, see that, y'all? And look, that's a fox, I believe. Creole planner fox. Now that wasn't planned or anything, and she don't know me from Adam, but look at that. Isn't that perfect? And the font, I love the font and the colors. Yeah, see, I'm always fascinated when people put colors together, and I think I never would have thought to put these colors together, but yet they do, and people have an eye for that kind of stuff. I don't, and I'm glad they do. So, and here, this is another monthly. I've seen these circles. I think this is created for the Happy Planner, the budget Happy Planner. May have no, I don't remember seeing circles in that one. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what it was created for, except for looks like they were created just for me, because I'm telling you, these colors are just perfect, just perfect. So this is the second sheet, and this is your third sheet for the month. And look, we got a little fox again, and we got oh, the little unicorn, and we got some half boxes, and we got some. I mean, it's full of stickers. This one sheet, and of course the little bee. Oh, look at that! That is too precious. All right, so there we have that. Now, these are your weeks here. Okay. I think I'm gonna kind of leave them. No, I can't do that like that. I got to show y'all the whole thing. So let me see how we're gonna do that. Let me see if I can. Okay. All right. Stop shaking. There we go. There we go. We're in frame now. And what I'll do is I'll do a close-up of each one after the fact. So here we have, this is one weekly. That's one page, and you got your date. You have your days here. You got some wordings, and you have strips, header strips here. You have dollar sign, and it's not a block. This is what I like. It's not like the dollar sign in a block. It's actually, now I'll never put this back where it came from, but I hope it'll stick. And they are removable. So this is called the Value Weekly Bundle Kit. See, y'all. I mean, there's sticker from one edge to the other. There's hardly anything other than, and this is her information. If I can get it straight, there we go. That's her information. Okay, that is week 1, and this is your other half boxes and whole boxes and arrows and flags and another little cute bee, queen bee. Okay, there we go. All right, and another week. Here's another week, and we got the pink and purple. Yeah, isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. And the same thing. It looks like our stickers are, it's the same format or layout, I would say, but it's different color schemes for each week. Okay, and each one of them came with this it's a big sticker, spending tracker, and you got your quote. I always love a quote for my months. I mean, for my weeks, guys. I don't know if you've seen any of my planning videos, but I like to put where it says note or top priority. I like to put some sort of positive affirmation of some kind. And so here, there we go. And that is the rest of that 1 week. Look at the designs. Isn't that pretty? That is, and it's, I mean, y'all, border to border stickers. High five it on the weekend. Let me see, we have this one. This is the next week. Look at that. Look at the flowers. Now that's romantic looking right there. But again, we got stickers, bumper to bumper stickers. Now, that's your weeks for the month. Now these are extras, all sorts of extra little icons. Let's go slow. Let's see now. All right, let's see. Let me just go down. Got that. Y'all, look at the little Hulu in the, okay. Now I've seen her planning videos, which I do like. She does forward plan, post planning, whatever. But I love it. And I've seen her use some of these things, and you know, look, tranquility. See? Look at the bed, lazy day. I need 30, how many days? I need 31 of those. But anyway, I love that. And again, this is another sheet of extras. And these extras, the color coincides with each side coincides with a week. So you're getting like almost 3 pages of stickers to put on 1 week. And again, some extras, and all of these colors coincide with each one of the weeks. See, look, straight across, more extras, more. Can you believe it? Edge to edge. Talk about no white space. Okay, I've not seen a lot of stickers with no white space unless they were like the size of my palm. But, and again, here we go with some other extras, some headers, some words. These are mostly words here. And it's called A Secret for a Reason. Sales Gets Me. It's the little things in life. Ponytail and doing it well. Takina. Oh, that's her. Oh, okay. So that's her little saying. It was worth every penny. Girl boss got lost. It's okay to say no. So yeah, that's some self-care stuff right there. It is okay to say no. I'll deal with the consequences later. I've heard me say that in my head, not out loud, not with my outdoor voice, my outside voice. And hello, money. So yeah. But that's it, guys. I had to come on because this is $15. 15. You know, I paid. I think the extra sheet I got was $2, but this is a kit you can get every month for $15. And you know what I'm gonna do? I've never done it in a white space, and I can't because I do plan. But I'm talking about using. See, they got boxes functional boxes where I can use and write in. And I'm gonna practice. There's another YouTuber on here that I like, Paper and Pen Girl. And she showed this trick that you can use and put a piece of wax paper over your planner sheet. And then you can kind of practice where all your stickers are going. And y'all, I need that. I tell you, I need that. So anyway, I plan on coming back and trying to do I'm going to try my best to do a plan with me using it. I'm going to use them because they too pretty not to. And again, thank you for stopping by. You guys be blessed and be a blessing. And I'm out.